Hello everyone, my name is Tejashvi Zadav and today's date is 20 July 2021 and our video topic is exception. So, in this video we see the what is exception, the difference between exception and error, and we will see the methods of the exception and methods of the error and a real-time example of an exception, and we will again see the try, catch and throw method. So, exception means what? The exception is a unwanted and unexpected events occurs at the execution of the program, and it describe the flow of the program. We will see the real-time example of an exception. If a consider a one person go to the office his own car, then when he go to the office his car is punctured, then he will take a second way to the going to the office. He will go through by using the bus. Then he choosing the second way to the go to the office by using the bus. This is we call the exception. This is one of the real-time example of the exception. In our daily life, there are multiple example of exception are occurred. Then we will see the what is different between exception and error. So, exception is an unwanted and unexpected event occurs at the execution of the program, and error is occurred because of the system resource. And second one difference is the error is can't be recoverable and exception it can be recoverable. This is the major difference between exception and error. Third one is exception has two types. Check exception means it is also called as compile time exception. Then second one is runtime exception is also called as uncheck exception. And in a error there are only one exception are occurred. This is uncheck exception or also it called the runtime exception. This is the basic difference between exception and error. Then we will see the exception methods. In a exception there are multiple methods are occurred. No such a class found, array out of bound. In a exception we will see the methods, different method. We take example of a exception: class not found, no such a method exception, input output exception, remote exception, SQL exception, interrupt exception. Then in a runtime exception there are arithmetic exception, array out of bound exception, string index out of bound exception, null point exception, then index out of bound exception. That can be all exception are occurred in a exception. So in a error there are such a virtual machine exception, then linkage exception, then stack overflow exception that can be occurred in a error. This is the exception are occurred in a exception and error. Then we will see the what is meant by try, catch and throw method. So basically our in a Java programming whose code is not run, that code we can be written in the try method, and executable code can be written in a catch method. By using this try and catch we execute our program. If we take a one example of a try and catch method, in a program we take a sysout 9 by 0 and then we again sysout ABC. Then because of the 9 by 0 it can be executed. So this is we call the exception. So our exception code like sysout 9 by 0 it can be written in a try method, and our catch code means our sysout ABC we write in a catch method. So our program is executed, our output is ABC. Because of the try method we written in the sysout 9 by 0, this will be code there is stop, and catch code will be execute. This is one of the example of try and catch. In a catch we will use a nested catch. In a catch we use the different of the methods in a catch, and in a try we always return the exception code in our try method. So what is mean by the compile time execution. So compile time execution means what? So in a check exception we will see the check exception means the exception checked during the compilation period. It's called the check exception. We will see the one of the example of a check exception. If we consider in a program we write the sysout 100 by 0 and then we write sysout 1 2 3 and again we write sysout xyz. So when we run our code, the when it compile, then will be our console in a console window. This will occur the exception at the line number 3, because of in the line number 3 we write the sysout 100 by 0. There are can't be possible the division of 100 by 0. So it gives the at the compile, it gives the exception during the compilation period. So it is a one of the example of compile time exception. So we will see the uncheck exception means runtime exception. This will not give the compilation error and it occurs because of the bad programming. If we not do programming in a good manner, if we write if we write the wrong code, then it will happen because of the our programming is incorrect manner. So it is called the uncheck or so it's called the runtime exception. So we will in this video we will see the run, throw and catch. Then we will see what is the throw. Throw means basically what? If we take one example of a throw. There are two person. One person is throwing a ball and another person is catching the ball. The throwing person ball is our exception and catching ball is our JVM. So in this process, the throwing and catching is two methods are simultaneously run. So it's we call the throws in our exception. So in this video we see the what is the difference exception are occurred in a Java programming and what is the error. So we will see the difference of the exception. So we will see the first one is arithmetic exception. What is meant by arithmetic exception? In our programming we write the system.out.println 25 by 0. So if we run this code in our programming in a console, occurred the exception error. This will not divide by 0. 0 is not divided by 25. So it will call the arithmetic exception. If we take another example of exception, that is array index out of bound exception. In a code we write the sysout A B C. Then in a in a sysout we want to see the length of the 11th of the ABC. So it will gives the array index out of bound exception. Then we will see the another example of a index out of bound. So we write in a sysout 1 2 3. Then we will find 4 index of the 11. Then it will give the index out of bound exception. This will the example of the exception. Then we will again see the one of the example is string out of bounds. In a string we write the ABC and in output we want the sysout Z. Then it will give the string out of bounds, means Z is not present in our string. So this is the difference of the exception occurred in our programming. In this video we will see the what is meant by exception, what is the difference between exception and error, what is a throw, catch, try method, and what is the method occurred in a what is the error occurred in our exception, and what is the methods occurred in a error. In a error we can see error means what. If our mobile, our laptop RAM is full, that means there are the error are occurred that can't be recoverable. Means the error is occurred that can be recovered by using the our programming. That system error that occurs because of the system error. These all points we can see in this our video. I hope you all understand. Thank you.